Hi, this is my final morning report for today, Tuesday the 14th of July, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets, looking at the gold chart now. And again, a disappointing move with a real sort of lack of decisiveness in yesterday's selling. Just as I said in the morning report that I did earlier, just almost is indicative of the whole trading ethos of gold at the moment. Just you've got this downside move that we're seeing in gold, the consistent sort of slide in the price, but never really decisively falling away, never really thinking that the bears are in full control. And yesterday we saw it indicative of that, sort of $15 worth, sort of $14 worth of trading range yesterday. But in fact, you actually closed around the midpoint of the day, despite the fact obviously you're trading lower. That is a negative candle, but just with a lack of conviction on the part of the sellers. Any sort of rallies on gold, I think, are a chance to sell. You look at the configuration of these momentum indicators, that just reveals that is the best way of trading it. And the fact that you're consistently trading below 1170 as well, that's the old floor. Just suggests that you're going to be coming back towards this 1142.85 level, I think, at the moment. But initially you've got the support at 1146.75 that I think is obviously going to be tested. I mean, you've certainly seen that move rolling over, and certainly again the downside pressure today is negative. And here's the hourly chart. You can see even on the hourly chart here, put the crosshairs in, this old support around 1158 just become the new resistance again. So it's rallies are a chance to sell. You're trading underneath all the moving averages. Configuration of the momentum indicators on the hourly chart, RSI never gets above sort of early 60s, goes back towards 30, so that's configured as negative. MACD lines have gone negative and sort of turning lower again, stochastics, suggesting there is a wave scenario here. So again, that suggests maybe absolutely now selling is probably not the best idea. Maybe waiting for this sort of to unwind a little bit, maybe a little bit of a recovery on the RSI, maybe back above 50 on the hourly RSI would give you a chance to sell. But it certainly looks as though the downside pressure is still stronger, although the selling pressure isn't sort of decisive on the downside, and just does give you the opportunity, I think, for short-term trades. But I think the pressure is certainly to the downside, but just be careful that you do get these intraday rallies every now and again that could well sort of suggest that trading short term with very short targets is the better way to play gold. But I wish you good luck in your trading today on gold, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.